motorcycle is whatever you want to make it. Turn it on, you can give yourself a real thrill.
Welcome to some fall riding in Idaho.
The other day, as I prepared for a dual sport ride, I decided to wear my full dirt bike gear setup. As I put my knee guards on, and my mentality began to change. As I buckled my riding boots, I realized that my mentality had changed even more so. As I slid my helmet and goggles on, I realized I was putting armor on. I had the expectation of discomfort. I was preparing for a battle. I have realized that the more comfortable I am, the less adventure I have. When I sit on a big, cushy seat with heated grips, a big windscreen, and pretty soon a bigger bike can even seem uncomfortable in the environment that I created, the comfortable environment. This is not to say it's bad to be comfortable by any stretch, but to me there is an endless adventure to be had in the grit. The sweat and the dirt-filled padding of my helmet. The harsh seats. Seats that feel like they're made out of granite. They represent the harsh environment. They're all built to survive the most brutal conditions, taking you to the most beautiful landscapes. With a harsh feel of direct integration with the machine, you can fully assimilate and navigate any terrain. As I rode dual sport that day, in my dirt bike gear, it felt like I could ride for weeks on end. I was completely absent of any expectation of comfort.